Have you ever wondered what gives our hair its amazing variety of colors, from deep black to fiery red and golden blonde? Well, for individuals with albinism, their hair appears white because their bodies produce very little or no melanin at all, which is the natural pigment responsible for hair, skin, and color. Melanin is a fascinating pigment made by specialized cells called melanocytes, which are found in the hair follicles, skin, and eyes. There are two main types of melanin: eumelanin, which creates brown and black hues, and pheomelanin, which leads to red and yellow tones. In albinism, a genetic mutation interferes with the production of these melanins. Often, this mutation affects an enzyme called tyrosinase, which is crucial for the melanin synthesis pathway. Without sufficient tyrosinase, or if the melanocytes themselves are not working correctly, melanin cannot be produced. This lack of pigment means that the hair shafts remains colorless, reflecting light in a way that makes them appear white. It is not that the hair is dyed white, but rather that it lacks any color pigment from the start. Understanding this genetic basis helps us appreciate that albinism is not an illness but a congenital condition. It means that the instruction manual, our DNA, contains a slight variation that changes how pigment is formed. For the hair itself, this means it has a unique texture and often requires special care because it lacks the protective qualities that melanin provides, such as natural ultraviolet light filtration. There are actually several distinct types of albinism, categorized by the specific genes affected, and whether the condition impacts the eyes only, called ocular albinism, or the eyes, skin, and hair, known as oculocutaneous albinism. For example, OCA1A is a severe form where no melanin is produced, resulting in stark white hair and very pale skin. In contrast, other types might allow for some minimal pigment production, leading to hair that is light blonde or even light brown. So, the pure white hair seen in many people with albinism is a direct and beautiful result of a genetic blueprint that instructs the body not to create pigment. It beautifully illustrates the power of genetics to determine our physical traits, highlighting the crucial role melanin plays in the spectrum of human color.